Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can list your items on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, to list your items and sell on Temu, you need to have a seller account, and you need to sign up through the Seller Center. You just need to go to seller.temu.com, and here you'll be able to sign up using this button right here. Now, once you sign up, you will have to give them your information, and you'll have to give the appropriate certification that you have to become a seller, and once you do, you'll open up your seller account and you can list your items there. Now, the process to do this is, of course, just enter your business information, and the businesses that are valid on the Temu Sellers platform are corporations, partnerships, and sole proprietorships. You also have the option to sell as an individual seller, which I guess most of you would sign up as. Now, for the second step, you need to provide your seller information, and this will include your type of certificate, seller name, address, etc. Now, once you're done with that, you just need to set up your Temu store by adding the name, logo, and contact information of your store and pretty much everything else that is needed. And after that, you just need to complete the verification process and start selling. Now, the documentation that you need for individual applicants are full legal name, citizenship, date of birth, place of birth, residential address, government issued ID, and ID expiration date. And those are pretty much the same as is required for beneficial owners, legal representatives or executives of a company that is a business applicant, and pretty much all of those that I've mentioned already except for the place of birth. And for businesses, you need the business type, the business name, the employee identification number, and the registered business address. And once you're done with that, that will be pretty much it. You just need to wait for the verification to end, and then you'll be able to start selling on Temu. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.